Hi, I'm Shane Balkham, Client Investment Director at US Management. Welcome to my 2-minute missive. It'd be remiss of me not to mention that we're going to end up with our 7th Prime Minister in a decade, but it's also the 10th anniversary of Brexit. Coincidence? I don't think so. Those 10 years have brought us two things: a political class that lacks guidance and leadership, and also a UK market that looks uninvestable. Politicians and the EU didn't know how to deal with the divorce, and over those 10 years, particularly for foreign investors, the UK looked uninvestable. However, investing, particularly over the long term, those uninteresting areas can be the most exciting opportunities. As you know, we run a diversified portfolio with 6 core equity asset classes, the UK being one of them. And in 2021, we went overweight the UK, mainly down to the valuation being low, not just relative to other asset classes, but also to its own history. Now that position has waxed and waned over that period, and we closed that position off in February this year. And during that period, the FTSE All-Share had outperformed Europe, Japan, emerging markets, and China. That was only one slice of the portfolio. If we look back over that 10 years and use the models initially, but also then the returns of the multi-asset blend funds when they were launched, balance would have returned 100% and Aventurous nearly 200%. And that's navigating COVID, both versions of Trump, Brexit, numerous conflicts, and an inflation spike. So for us, it's about providing the best possible outcomes to our clients. And although the short term can look uncertain and volatile, the long term does provide, for those people wishing to stay invested, amazing opportunities and life-changing returns. Before you make any investment decisions, please speak to your financial planner. These views are my own, and thank you for watching.